So guys, right here at Pensacola, Jeep's Mission22 show and shine. A lot of nice Jeeps out here. Not just Jeeps, they got Jeeps, new to old, the Wranglers and the Cherokees, and then they got on the other side of the field, they got some old cars. So they got a little mix of everything. So there's definitely something out here for everybody. And then there's some vendors and some food trucks.
Oh, and the ramp.
Yeah, they got a ramp out here. I think it's called an RTI ramp, something like that. So we'll definitely check that out. So we're gonna take y'all around, check out some of these Jeeps, and yeah, show you what it's all out here. much.
You gotta, yeah.
That's a Jeep thing. I'm not sure the deal behind it, but last I learned it was a Jeep thing. If anybody knows exactly what it means, just comment below. I don't know.
It means being ducked. Like if you see a Jeep, you leave a duck there and they've been ducked. It's a thing.
Tasha knows.
I know. That's hilarious.
Like the Jeep wave. That's awesome. I do know that is a thing, the Jeep wave. You gotta wave. If you don't wave, you're not a real Jeepster. Is Jeepster a thing?
Huh?
Is Jeepster a thing?
Yeah, Jeeps are a thing. Well, a lot of people think Jeeps are a thing.
Jeepster.
Oh, Jeepster?
Like if you own a Jeep, you should be a Jeepster? No.
We'll run with it. Yeah, that's a thing. Jeepster.
I don't know. We'll run with it. But wave. So there's definitely a lot more cars out here than I thought there was going to be. Like, there's a ton of Jeeps. They had one side filled up with Jeeps and they're adding more Jeeps. And then they keep adding more cars. I think now there's some bikes starting to show up. Y'all probably hear the race car going round and round. We're at the car show's actually at the Pensacola racetrack out here. I think it's Five Flag Speedway or something like that. But yeah, there's there's a ton of cars. So we've looked at a lot of the Jeeps. So we're gonna go around and look at some of the other cars now. A lot of mixed match of some old and some new. So let's go check those out. What do you think, bud? You ready to go see some of these cars?
The Nissan.
Yeah, there's a Mason's favorite out here. What's that here that you like?
The Nissan.
A Nissan? What kind of Nissan?
Over there. Come here. Come here.
He's gonna show us, Mom. What kind is it, bud?
That's an R32. That's an R32.
What was it? I couldn't hear you. What's this?
That's a R32. That's an R35.
Yeah, you're right. How cool is that?
Cool.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. This was the Jeep's Mission22 video. Mission22 is for a fund, a foundation for veterans because the statistics show that 22 veterans commit suicide daily. So this is put together to kind of collect money and donate to help battle that and fight that. And so all of our veterans, we want to say thanks to all of you, and thanks for all that y'all do, and we appreciate everything you do. And we support all y'all. And
He's finishing up for you.
so we have a little guy here.
Goodbye. Hit the bell, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next time. Bye.
That was good.
That was.
Thanks for watching our video, and just as Mason said, subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like it, and hit the bell for notifications, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.